Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're coming for the first time, I just want to welcome you here. I hope you decide to stay. If you are returning, so much love from me, so much love from me. I love you guys so much, and I love the fact that you keep coming over and over. So guys, I think I've mentioned already that I am in South Africa, and I still am in South Africa for another week. I love you guys so much, and I love the fact that you keep coming over and over. So guys, I think I've mentioned already that I am in South Africa, and I still am in South Africa for another week, and the next one and the next one. So I thought I'd come here for like just a proper chit chat laid back video. I just want to give you like some of the things that I've actually been loving about being at home. I think just being at home in general gives you that kind of like mushy feeling, like you are like, I'm at home, I'm with my people, I'm at home. I mean, as much as you can love traveling and being anywhere else in the world, home is home. Home is where the heart is. And this is the same thing with me. I feel more lively and more alive when I'm at home. As much as I do feel more lively and alive everywhere, I think I do create home everywhere else where I travel. But like, home is home, as I've mentioned. So I'm actually like just gonna give you the most basic of things that I've actually been really loving about being at home. And the first one is the fact that I've just been eating a lot of Masonja. Oh gosh, I've actually been eating a lot of Masonja. So I've just been enjoying the kind of things that I don't have access to when I'm in Austria. So for those who don't know what Masonja is mopani worms. So this I think they come seasonally. I grew up in the villages, so in Limpopo, for example, you have seasons, I think around Christmas and also around Easter, where it's a like Masonja season, where people can come and actually, I don't know what's the word. Do you come and hunt? Do you go and hunt for Masonja? I don't know, but like you go and actually like Masonja just magically, like people don't judge me, like, but magically grow from trees. So they grow from like being young and everything. This is so bad. This is so bad, but I'm actually gonna put this in a video because like we clown like this all the time. Yeah, so like basically Masonja, I'll just attach a picture for anyone who doesn't know what Masonja is, but if you are South African, you should know what Masonja is. So I've just been eating a lot of Masonja, and that has been like a thing for me, because I think my problem is the fact that I cannot necessarily like really be having Masonja in Austria, or I would actually do carry Masonja, but like how do you do it when there's actually no pub? Because like then it would mean that I actually would have to also carry pub, which is a lot of work for me to do. Yeah, it would be a lot of work for me to do, so I decided not to actually do it. But when I'm here at home, I have decided that I'm actually gonna just really indulge deeply, because you know what, okay, I'm actually gonna try reduce this light and see. Okay, yeah, so another thing that I've actually been enjoying eating is muchaina. Like, I don't know, kuna this mro we call muchaina, like moroho in like my language. It's like a different kind of vegetable. I don't know what it's called in English, but yeah, in my language, imchayin. So I've been eating a lot of that as well, and you guys can tell my cheeks are like really growing big, and I'm just been like really being fed at home, which is really amazing. Another thing that I've actually really been enjoying, or I've actually loved, is the fact that I have access to Sensponso. Sensponso does my nails, so I don't have access to this when I'm in Austria. I do my nails when I'm in Austria, and it's not the nicest feelings, because I think for me nails are like one of those things that I go for as a form of therapy, and I think Sisponzo has actually been like really that kind of therapy for like so many years for me. So not having access to that is such a meh kind of situation. I'll actually attach the website to sponsor and their Instagram page that you should actually go do your nails there if you're a woman. Even if you're a male, actually males do pedicures and manicures, just like cleaning and just like having it transparent, just for like just cleanliness at the end of the day. So yeah, that I have actually been loving so much. I've been loving having my nephews around, which is really beautiful. And just generally, I have been hanging out with friends. I have had few dinners, I've had few ice creams, I've had a few going out. I'm not doing a lot of going out because, well, corona is still in our midst, so because of that we are trying to be safe. But I just wanted to come here and have a very much of a laid back video. For sure you can tell this video is really one of those that you actually are like why are you doing this to us? But I just wanted to like really be laid back with you guys and just have this video, and you know, it's one of those things. I hope you guys are doing well. South Africa is on a third wave. So if you are in South Africa, I hope you are keeping safe. I hope you are staying alive and you are protecting the people around you, because it is really important for us to actually just be safe in this time and really do anything in our power to just stay away from Mr. Corona, because it's been real. So yeah guys, I just wanted to come here and really just have a very basic simple chit chat with you. And next week I'm actually going on a weekend away with my best friend Petronella, and we are going to MP, so it's gonna be beautiful. I'm definitely gonna share that with you guys. I'm gonna really just like take you through what we do on like an MP. Like, I think Mpumalanga has so much to offer, and I'm just gonna really share with everybody. And I'm actually whispering because I'm taking this video at night, and I'm potentially making noise. So goodbye guys, I love you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share this with your family and friends and everyone who you know and who you think would enjoy this video. Cheers.